Hi everyone, today's video I have a half up braided elastic style. To start off, I'm going to create a side part and push all the hair over to the right side. I'm just creating a small rectangle of hair right here that I'm going to use for my style. Once I kind of get all the hair together that I want to use, I'm just going to put this up into a clip. With my remaining hair, I'm just going to put it in a side tight ponytail. That way, whenever I'm braiding, I don't pick up any of that hair that I don't want to use. Next, I'm going to create a diagonal for my braid. So the part that I have on top is what I'm going to use to create my braid. And then the rest of the hair, I'm just going to section it off, and I'll use that later. So I'm going to be creating a Dutch lace braid, which means that I'm going to be picking up hair from the right side, but not the left side, and it's going to be putting the pieces under and not over. So I just took the right strand under. Now I'm going to pick up hair from the right side with my comb and put it under and add it to that strand. Now, every time I pick up hair, it's only going to be from the right side and not the left side. I'm also trying to make this sit pretty close to my part line, but I don't want it on my part line, so it's going to be real close, and I'm trying to keep it in a straight line. And the way that you do that is just by pulling the hair tight every time you put in a new strand of hair. If your hair starts to get tangly, any of these pieces, just take your comb, brush them out so that they don't get all tangled up when you're braiding. So I'm just going to finish this braid till I combine all the hair that I had sectioned off. Once I have all the hair combined, I'm just going to continue braiding down until I get to the bottom of the hair. Once I get to the bottom, I will tie it off with a clear elastic. Next, I'm going to work on the other side of the hair. So I have a little rectangle shape, and I'm just going to section off a small area at the top here. Now from here, I want to put this piece into 3 more sections. So I'm dividing this piece into thirds. And then I'm going to tie them off with a cute pink elastic. And I'll link below where you can get any elastics or other hair products that I use in this video. Now when you're doing these little ponytails, you really want to make sure that you have nice straight part lines, because when you're pulling the hair, putting it into elastics, you're really going to see your part lines. So I'm going to put in my final ponytail so that I have 3 on top. Next, I'm going to section the hair again, and I'm going to create 2 ponytails. So I'm going to divide the hair in half where I had that middle ponytail. With the remaining hair, I'm just going to put in 1 ponytail. Now I want to combine all these ponytails together. So I'm going to go back to where I had my top 3 ponytails, split the middle one, grab one from the side, and connect it to the ponytail down from it. And then I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side. And next I'm going to take the 2 ponytails, add them to the bottom ponytail, and then I'm also going to grab my braid that I put in place and pull it around so it lays nicely on top of these other ponytails. And then I'm just going to take one big elastic and pull them all together. From there, I'm going to take out my braid that I put in. And to finish this look off, I'm just going to braid down so it looks nice and finished. I really love how this style turned out. Please make sure to like below if you enjoyed this style and subscribe to our channel because we post several tutorials each week for fun little girl hairstyles.